Alrighty guys, hello again. So I figured you guys would want to see the effects of the stain we just made on some different kinds of wood. We have black walnut, sapele, mahogany, red oak, maple, poplar, another piece of white oak, and poplar. So we'll start with this beautiful piece of black walnut. It's got some writing on it. Dip one side, stir it a little bit, set it right there. See how it changes. Oh, stay on your jar. Now we'll do this nice piece of sapele. A little bit dusty, but we'll get it going. Get attacked by bugs, guys. This is mahogany. Alright, my shadow's in the way. On the sapele, you can see where my fingerprint was changed. Here too. Black walnut as well. Red oak. Now, I've tried it on red oak before. It turns like a gray. Maple, I've never tried it on maple. I haven't tried it on any of these except for red oak and white oak. So this is for y'all and my curiosity. I'm gonna put it there with the edge damage. And this is poplar. It went on clear. Let's see if it changes. This here is white oak. I know that one's gonna change. Wow. Look how quick it already changed on the black walnut. Boy, howdy, boy. Daggum. They got black. It's working on the sapele too. And this is real time. I haven't cut nothing. So 2 minutes. 2 minutes and we already got this much color. See, on the white oak it didn't change too much, it's just kind of a pale gray. Maple, it did not do much at all. I don't even think that's the wood really changing, it's probably just the color of the juice. Poplar still too, didn't change much. White oak stained quite a bit like we expected. As this dries, it'll get darker. Like you can see, we started here with the black walnut. Get out of your fly. Started here with the black walnut. Boy, it's almost like ebony black, man. Even the end grain got really dark. See, that's the end grain before, after. Before end grain, after end grain. Before and after. Before and after. That one's not fully dry yet. It's not a good comparison. See, he didn't change much before and after. Before and after. It's mostly just, it's wet. White oak changed quite a bit. So yeah, guys. It's a pretty fun little experiment. It's surprising. No, I'm surprised that the black walnut changed so much, and the sapele is less so affected than the mahogany. The mahogany got kind of a weird color, it's kind of blue. Sapele's dry, except for that top edge up there, but here you can see it's dry. It's nice. Put a little oil on that. I should have brought some oil out here. I could have showed you. Yeah, you put a little oil on there and it looks like it does when it's wet. If you want to get it darker, you can just reapply. See, that's how it'll look if you put some finish on there. It'll be nice. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this short little video tutorial. It's showing you guys how to use the stain and what woods it works on. Let me know if you have any others that you try it on and it works out for you, and I'd love to see links to what you guys have done and maybe some response videos. If this helped you out, let me know, man. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a good one, friends. Hey guys, just a quick update on this. Is the final results after they dried. It's a little surprising to me how dark the poplar got. I didn't realize it would do that. You can see it's got a nice kind of orangey color. The metal, sometimes if it doesn't dry right away, the iron will rust a little bit, but you can just wipe that off. But yeah, so that's like the final color of red oak. That's the maple, and the poplar was surprising. This one too, honestly. That got really dark. I have to do that with some more mahogany. But yeah, guys, just thought I'd show this real quick. And yeah, you can add more to make it darker, but if it doesn't dry all the way before the iron oxidizes, it will oxidize. So you gotta make sure you don't do like I did and apply it right away. You gotta make sure you get the at least the surface fully dried before you add the next coat. Otherwise you will get that. But you can that just comes off with a little bit of wiping. And then if you mess up real bad or you don't like it, you can always just sand it off. That's not that hard. Unless you soak it. If you soak these in a jar, it will be black all the way through. I have tried that before too. But yeah, guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again. Have a good one, friends. Enjoy, have a good life, and do some more woodworking.